host today. I'm also lucky enough to be one of the dolphin trainers here at Sea Life Park. As I'm sure you can imagine, working with these animals every day is truly an amazing job. But you know, being a dolphin trainer is much more than a job. These dolphins, they're our family, our ohana, as we say here in Hawaii, and I'm so excited that you're all here to see them today. In the Hawaiian language, dolphins are known as naia, and I bet you all know how to say hello in Hawaiian, don't you? Aloha, right! So, on the count of three, we're all going to say aloha naia. Again, that's aloha naia. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You know, dolphins have had a very special